Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WKHS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, as we head into close out the week on this one, not the greatest close. I mean, it wasn't terrible, but overall, and to offer up more context, just not the best week, especially, things had that big gap up, and then after there, it was just a slow and steady bleed the rest of the week. And, there's a couple ways you can look at that slow and steady bleed. I get it. Those are just words. But the first way you could look at that is just based on where the highs were. So, like I said, gapped up here. And then from there, though, these highs just kept getting lower and lower and lower. So that's one way to look at it. But I think the more efficient way would just be to get a trend line in place here, which really does do a good job of just illustrating the downward selling pressure that was basically, within the chart all week long. So it's not like it was selling pressure in the amount of, the price just can never make any good moves. No, there is actually several bounces. There is a nice move, rejected. Another nice move, rejected. A little bit of a nice move right there, and then this morning, once again, rejected. So it's not like the price, and even right there, nice bounce to the upside. So it's not like the price can't show signs of bullishness. My core point here is I would be very skeptical of any bullishness until the price can first prove itself. And again, quote unquote, prove itself, I'm defining as being able to get above that red resistance trend line, but more importantly, stay up above it. So as of right now, that level is right around, we'll just call it 1585. So 1585 will be public enemy number one headed into next week as far as resistances are concerned. As far as support levels, main level to watch very closely now, going to be right there at $14.50. You go through the history of the chart here, and you can see it did a good job of holding that support there, and then you look at, once again, today, held and bounced right off that level. So that's certainly going to be a main level of support. But overall, not the greatest week, but next week is a new week, so let's see how things play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.